Hold on.
You get out. Oh my God, the train's right there.
Stop! Speed 584, Virginia. 584. I just had a train strike a truck out here at 7 and 101.
And 4934, stopping there. I guess you got main one's emergency side of the 4934, you guys stopping there. We are everywhere. There's a fire. We're a key train. You know, it's an emergency. We are everywhere. A key train. We are on fire. Which train is on fire there? Is that the 6990? 4934, 4934. We are derailed. We are all over. We gotta go. Grab your portable. Okay, 4934 is on fire. Gotta go. All right, well, call me as soon as you can.
Look at that. Oh my God. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh boy. Oh my God.
This is the moment a train driver in Poland ran down the aisle warning passengers seconds before the train crashed into a lorry. The train crashed into a lorry that was stuck on a rail crossing.
Holy.
A motorist named Ty C gave us this video. He was waiting at the rail crossing, saw the stranded semi-truck, got out his cell phone. You can see the truck driver walking down the track trying to wave down the train. But as you're about to see, that train kept on coming. The trailer of the semi exploded, sending its cargo of trail mix flying.
1024 from this location, call me in or after there.
Tower.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button and be sure to turn the notifications on so you can be alerted every time a new video like this one is published. If you liked the video, be sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Whereas if you didn't like the video,
I still love you.